Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to get iOS 26 beta version. Firstly, open Settings, then General and About from your iPhone. Ensure your iPhone is on iOS 16.4 or later. Visit developer.apple.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Scroll to start your enrollment and complete the process if needed. Now go to Settings, Privacy and Security. Scroll down and toggle on Developer Mode. If you don't see it, connect your iPhone to Mac, run in Xcode or open Xcode once and it will prompt Developer Mode activation. Now go to Settings, General, Software Update. Tap Beta Updates, then select the iOS 26 Developer Beta and make sure the correct Apple ID is shown at the bottom. Now go back to Settings, General, Software Update. The iOS 26 Developer Beta should now appear. Tap Download and Install and enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions. Your iPhone will restart multiple times. Once backed up, follow the setup prompts. You'll now be running iOS 26 Developer Beta on your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.